Hello friends, welcome back to another lecture. Friends, I hope the previous lecture on NPV was clear to you. So in this lecture, we will look at another capital budgeting technique called payback period. Now this lecture is important for all JAIIB accounting paper candidates and also for CAIIB ABM candidates, that is for module B. So please watch this lecture really well. But before I start, do like this video since this tells me that you are loving the content and it also motivates me to make more such awesome videos. Also subscribe this channel since this is the only channel that provides quality content. You can also join my Telegram and Facebook groups where I post lots of one-pagers and other important stuff which is very important for your examination. All the links are there in description to this video, so don't miss out after you finish this lecture. So let's start with today's lecture. Now friends, just assume one of your friends comes to you with a business proposal. He asks you to invest rupees 25 lakhs in partnership for a new gym. Now can you tell me what will be first thing that will come in your mind while thinking about this business offer? Well, just first thing you want to know is when will you get your 25 lakhs back? Forget about the profits first. First thing everyone wants is to at least get their capital back, isn't it? So to answer this basic question, you need to know about the payback period of any project. I hope this layman explanation was clear to you. So friends, we can define payback period as period of time required to cover initial cost and expenses and cost of investment done for a project to reach a time where there is no profit or no loss, that is break-even point. So the payback period shows how long it takes for a business to recoup an investment. Friends, this type of analysis allows firms to compare alternative investment opportunities and decide on a project that returns its investment in shortest time, if that criteria is important to them. Now friends, before moving ahead with the lecture, don't forget to get your JAIIB and CAIIB resources from the links given in description to this video. These are 5 power-packed JAIIB books which will be delivered straight to your location anywhere in India. Over the years, students have found these books extremely beneficial in their journey of clearing JAIIB. Then these are CAIIB resources and all these comes with lots of case studies with detailed explanations. So don't miss out on these after you finish this lecture. These will be delivered anywhere in India, so just get these from the links given in description to this video. Next, let's move forward with the lecture. Now friends, in your case, just say you go ahead with your investment of rupees 25 lakhs and your friend says that cash flows, that is income that the business may generate, are like this. Now please note these cash flows are your personal profits only and not of your partner. So as per your friend, for year 1 you will receive rupees 2 lakhs cash inflow, then for year 2 it's 5 lakhs, then in year 3 you will receive 8 lakhs cash inflow, then in year 4 it's 14 lakhs, then year 5 it's 12 lakhs and year 6 it's 15 lakhs. Friends, to find the payback period, just start adding the profits year on year. Now year 1 has rupees 2 lakhs profit. Now when you add year 2's profit, the cumulative profits are rupees 2 lakhs plus 5 lakhs equals rupees 7 lakhs. Next we add year 3 to it, then cumulative profits are rupees 7 lakhs plus 8 lakhs equals rupees 15 lakhs. Then next let's add year 4, then cumulative profits will be rupees 15 lakhs plus 14 lakhs equals rupees 29 lakhs. But friends, please stop here. Note that your investment was rupees 25 lakhs only. So you must get your investment amount back between year 3 and year 4. Because till year 3 cumulative profits are rupees 15 lakhs and after year 4 it's rupees 29 lakhs. So 25 lakhs must be in between these. So friends, I hope this important point is clear to you. But we want to be precise and you need to know exact period in which you will receive your invested amount. So here comes the formula for finding payback period which provides us exact figure. That is, payback period equals years before break even plus unrecovered amount divided by cash flow in recovery year. Now friends, here years before break-even refers to the number of years until the break-even point is met. In other words, it is the number of years the project remains unprofitable. Then unrecovered amount represents the negative balance in the year preceding the year in which the cumulative net cash flows of the business exceed 0. And this amount is divided by cash flow in recovery year, which is the amount of the cash produced by the company in the year that the initial investment cost has been recovered and is now turning to profit. So let's understand this with our example. In our example, years before break-even is 3. I hope this point is clear to you. Then unrecovered amount will be, friends, please note up to year 3 we have recovered rupees 15 lakhs. So unrecovered amount will be 25 lakhs minus 15 lakhs equals 10 lakhs. I hope this point is also clear to you. Then finally, cash flow in recovery year is, now friends, please note our recovery year is year 3. This is the year when we are fully recovering our invested amount. And cash flow in recovery year is rupees 14 lakhs. So we are done, and now just plug in all these values in the formula. So payback period, as we have seen, is years before break even plus unrecovered amount divided by cash flow in recovery year, which equals 3 plus 10 divided by 14 equals 3 plus 0.714, that is 3.714 years. So this is our exact payback period. Next friends, we can summarize rules for interpreting payback period as, now friends, as a general rule of thumb, the shorter the payback period, the more attractive the investment is and better off the company would be. Now this is because the sooner the break-even point has been met, the more likely additional profits are to follow. Or at the very least, the risk of losing capital on the project is significantly reduced here. So friends, I hope this point is clear to you. Then next, in case of longer duration. Now friends, the longer payback time on the other hand suggests that the capital invested is going to be tied up for a long period. Thus the project is illiquid and the probability of there being comparatively more profitable projects with quicker recoveries of the initial outflow is far greater. So friends, I hope the concept of payback period as well as calculation is clear to you. Next, let's do a case scenario that will clear all your concepts and also the application. And the case scenario is, a company requires an initial investment of rupees 40,000. The estimated net cash flows are as follows. Using 10% as cost of capital, that is rate of discount, answer next 3 questions. And the first question is, in which of the following year break-even point is achieved? And these options are given to you. Now friends, you already understand what we meant by break-even point. In short, this is a no profit, no loss position. Or we can say a point where we will get our initial investment back. Now please note, initial investment is rupees 40,000 and in year 1 cash flow is 7,000. Then in year 2 also cash flow is 7,000. So cumulative cash flow till year 2 is rupees 7,000 plus 7,000 equals rupees 14,000. Then in year 3 cash flow is 7,000. So cumulative cash flow will be 14,000 plus 7,000 equals 21,000. Then in year 4 also cash flow is 7,000. So cumulative cash flow is 21,000 plus 7,000 equals 28,000. Then in year 5 cash flow is 7,000. So cumulative cash flow is 28,000 plus 7,000 equals 35,000. Now friends, please note we just need 5,000 to break even. And in year 6 cash flow is 8,000. So as you can see, we will get our break even point in year 6 only. Thus the correct option for the given question is option C. So friends, I hope the explanation is clear to you. The next question is, what is payback period of the project? And these options are given to you. Now friends, initial investment is rupees 40,000 and cash outflow for first 5 years we have already found in previous question as rupees 7,000 plus 7,000 plus 7,000 plus 7,000 plus 7,000 equals rupees 35,000. Thus balance or unrecovered amount is rupees 5,000 and cash flow in recovery year is given as rupees 8,000. So payback period will be simply years before break even plus unrecovered amount divided by cash flow in recovery year, which equals 5 plus 5,000 divided by 8,000 equals 5 plus 0.625 equals 5.65. Thus the correct option for the given question is option B. Friends, finally let's see a final question before winding up this lecture. And the question is, what is NPV of this project? And these options are given to you. Now friends, I have beautifully explained concept of NPV in previous lecture. So please pause the lecture and try the question yourself. Also, I am giving you this as an assignment and thus not giving the answer here. Please solve the question using previous lecture on NPV. and post your answer in the comment section of this video. My like to your comment will show that your answer is correct. So friends, with this I wind up this lecture. Also, don't miss to get your JAIIB and CAIIB resources from the links given in description to this video. So thank you, and I will meet you again in another lecture.